Hello, Maisie. Oh, who's the present for? Is it a surprise? Oh, hello, goldfish. Oh, the water looks very dirty, Maisie. I think you need to clean the fish tank. What are you doing, Maisie? Oh, I see. You're going to put the fish in the bowl while you're cleaning the tank. That's good. They look very happy in there. Oh, I wonder who that can be. It's Tallulah. Hello, Tallulah. That's a surprise, Tallulah. Do you know who it's for? Come on, Tallulah. Careful. Oh, good job, Tallulah. Are the fish all right, Tallulah? Oh, that's right. You need to scrub really hard to get all the dirt off. Good job, you two. The fish tank looks all shiny and clean now. Are the fish still okay, Tallulah? That's good. Oh, careful, Maisie. Now you can put the fish back in the tank. Oh, not like that, Tallulah. You have to be very gentle with fish. That's good. Oh, the surprise. Is it for the fish, Maisie? Is it their birthday? Oh, look! It's a shell for the fish to swim around. How nice. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Tallulah. Happy birthday, fish. Hello, Maisie. Hello, Cyril. Are you having your lunch? Those sandwiches look good. Have you forgotten something, Maisie? Ah, lemonade. Oh, that lemonade is very bubbly. There you go, Cyril. You drank that very quickly, Cyril. Oh, what was that? Cyril's got hiccups. Oh, well, how do you get rid of hiccups? You could try putting your hands up over your head like Maisie. Is that better? Oh. You could stick out your arms, Cyril, and close your eyes. Is that better? Oh. Ah, I think Maisie has had another idea. A drink of water. That might help your hiccups go away, Cyril. Oh. Well, that didn't work either. Ah, a somersault. Well, that might help. Nope, that didn't work either. Try jumping up and down. Keep going, Cyril. Oh, where's Maisie? Is she in the playroom? Is she upstairs? Oh. There she is. Hooray! Your hiccups have gone. Good job, Maisie. You frightened Cyril and scared the hiccups away. Thank you, Maisie. It's time to finish your lunch now. Oh, no, Maisie. You haven't got the hiccups now, have you? Oh, ha ha. Very funny. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Cyril. Goodbye, hiccups. Hello, Maisie.
Hello!
What a cold and wintry day. Look at all those icicles. Isn't that beautiful? Be careful, Maisie. Oh, hello, Rabbit. Look at Maisie's icicle. Oh, where's Rabbit? Oh, there you are. Oh, the water's frozen. Duck can't swim in the pond. Oh, I think Maisie's had an idea. What are you looking for? Oh, a stick. Well, that's a good idea, Maisie. Good job, Maisie. Now Duck can swim in the pond. Oh, look, there's a goldfish. Are you getting cold now, Maisie? Maybe it's time to go home. Goodbye, Rabbit. Goodbye, Duck. Oh, that's better. What are you going to do with your icicle, Maisie? Oh, it's melting. It must be too warm for it inside. That's a good idea, Maisie. Now you and Panda can look at your icicle and stay warm, too. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Panda. Hello, Maisie. Are those your new overalls? Oh, they're very stylish. Oh, where are your feet? Maybe you'd better turn the cuffs up so you don't trip over. Ah, perfect. Now, what are you going to do today, Maisie? What's that, Maisie? Oh, it's a box. What's in the box, Maisie? Oh, great! It's a jigsaw puzzle. Oh, some of the pieces have fallen on the floor. You're going to need all the pieces, Maisie. That's better. Now, what's it going to be, Maisie? Is that a cloud, Maisie? There's a wheel. And two other wheels. What can it be? Oh, who's that? It's Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Do you like Maisie's new overalls? Maisie's doing a jigsaw puzzle, Charlie. You want to help her? Now, which piece goes in next? No, not that one. Oh, yes, that's it, Charlie. That's good. Can you guess what it is yet? Look, it's a train. Hooray! Oh, there's a piece missing. Where can it be? Is it still in the box? No. Maybe it fell on the floor. Is it under the table? Charlie, that's not the missing piece. That's a toy car. Oh, where can that piece be? No, it's still not under the table, Maisie. What is it, Charlie? Can you see the missing piece? There it is. It caught on the cuff of your new overalls, Maisie. Hooray! Good job. It's Zebra in the train. You finished the puzzle. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Charlie.